Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need two things first: a valid backup and your device info. Start now by opening your cloud account on a second device and confirming a recent backup exists. This is why backups matter. They store system settings. Once done, sign out of any extra accounts and write down your device model and OS version so you can match restore files. Make sure to keep the device powered and avoid factory resets until you confirm backup availability. Now restore the settings. On a secondary device or via web, trigger the cloud restore and select system settings. This pulls back Wi-Fi, accounts, and preferences. If no backup exists, search your device's App Store or OEM support for the settings app package and reinstall it. This recreates the interface. If reinstall fails and you're comfortable, use official recovery tools or ADB to sideload the correct system APK. Finish by rebooting the device to let restored settings apply, then verify key items like Wi-Fi networks, accounts, and display preferences. If some options remain missing, clear cache and data for the settings app and reinstall the package. This often resolves corrupted configurations. Make sure to reapply any two-step verification logins. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, avoid random fixes. Take a full backup of current data and only perform a factory reset as a last resort to recover a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.